Hello friends, this is Sohan and you are watching Technical Spark. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make your pen drive write protected so that next time you will visit cyber cafe or your neighbor computer, at that time if you connect your pen drive, then also your pen drive will be safe and none of the virus can transmit from their PC to your pen drive. So there is a two technique which I am going to explain to make your pen drive write protected. The first method is very easy, that you can simply make your pen drive write protected just by moving notch which is on your pen drive. Just slide that button and your pen drive will be write protected, and as soon as you will reverse that particular notch, your write protection will get automatically removed, and that write protection is applicable to all computer irrespective on which computer, mobile or camera you are using that memory card. And second thing, I will show you how you can make your pen drive write protected on your computer, but that thing is only limited to that particular PC, not the others. Now I'll show you same thing on the computer. Friends, now I'll show you how you can make your pen drive write protected. Before starting the video, I just wanted to tell you guys that if you want to make your pen drive write protected and want to use on different PC, then this is not possible. For that you will have to use third-party encryption software which will protect your pen drive from transmitting the data. But you can make your memory card write protected. For that you will just have to slide the notch, and once you slide that particular notch, your memory card will get write protected, and after that if you insert that particular memory card in camera, mobile or any computer, you won't be able to write any data into that particular card, but you can read that data. Now I'll show you how you can make your pen drive write protected, but this trick is only limited to the PC on which you are working, and if you connect same pen drive to other machine, then this trick will not help. So let's start the video. I'll show you how you can make your pen drive write protected on the computer in which you are working. For that, let's open the file explorer. As you can see, my pen drive is connected and the size is 8 GB. If I open that pen drive, as you can see, I can open any file on my pen drive. Let me show you in another way. I can copy this particular image from desktop to my pen drive, and this is getting copied successfully. Let me show you by deleting the same. Is got deleted. Now we'll make this pen drive write protected. For that we'll have to open the command prompt. So in search box type cmd, and in command prompt application right click and open run as an administrator. It will open command prompt. In command prompt type command, that is diskpart, diskpart. In diskpart, the next command we'll have to run is list space disk and hit on enter. Now it's showing two disks. First is my hard disk which is 100 GB, and second is pen drive which is 8 GB. If you want to know more about how you can calculate, then just multiply 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. Now the next command is select space disk space 1. This is the disk we are going to use because our pen drive size is 8 GB, and hit on enter. Disk 1 is now selected. At any point of time you want to experiment with these commands, just type the question mark and press enter. You will see all the available commands for this particular menu which is diskpart, and in this we are going to use detail. Scroll down and type next command is detail space disk and hit enter. It's showing our complete information about the pen drive. My pen drive name is Kingston Data Traveler. It's a USB device and currently online and healthy. Now to make this USB write protected, we'll have to type command which is attribute attributes, then disk space set space read only and hit on enter. As you can see, disk attribute set successfully and our file explorer is got automatically closed. Now let's open again that file explorer, and let me try to open this. Now what I'll do, I'll just try to right click, and you can see the new folder option or new txt file option is gone. Now what I'll do, I'll copy one file from my desktop to this particular pen drive. As you can see, the disk is write protected. Try again. It's not working, guys. So this command is working successfully. You can try the same command in our PC. And let me try to delete one file from this particular pen drive. Right click, delete option is also not available. If I'm going to press delete button on my keyboard, then this is also not working. Let me try with shift plus delete. No, there is no luck. Now I'll restore the permission. To restore the permission, we'll have to use same command, but instead of set, we have to use clear, C-L-E-A-R. The complete command is attribute space disk space clear space read only, and hit on enter. Again, File Explorer is got closed. Open again. Double click, and now I'll try to create new file. TXT is getting created. Now let's try to create folder. 1 2 3. It's also created. Now let me copy the file again from my desktop. Paste. So this is how you can make your pen drive write protected. Now many of you don't like to play with the command prompt. So in that situation, I'll show you now how you can make your pen drive write protected using group policy. For that, go to the search box and type gpedit.msc and open this particular group policy editor. In group policy, we have to go to the user configurations. Under that, administrative templates, systems, and in system, we'll have to check removable storage access. Just maximize this. As you can see, we have two options. First option is deny read access, and the second option is deny write access. Right now, this is not configured. So just double click on that and choose enable. If you want, you can just read all the description. It gives a more detailed information about this particular policy. Click on apply. OK. The File Explorer is got closed. Every time we modify a policy, it will close the File Explorer. Now open this particular pen drive. Now what I'll do, I'll try to copy this second image. Copy and paste. You will need to provide administrator permission to copy it to this folder. My ID is already administrator, but still it will not allow us to copy the file. Continue. See, you need permission to perform this action. Click on cancel. Now let's try to delete something from this pen drive. Right click, delete. Continue. It's same. It's not allowing us to delete the file also. You need permission to perform this action. Try again. It's not working. But right now we are able to open this particular pen drive. So now what I'll do, I'll go to the again group policy editor and we'll configure this policy. Deny read access. Double click. Enable. If you want to know more about this, again read out this. Apply. OK. Now we'll try to refresh on the File Explorer. Double click. Access is denied, which means we are not allowed to open this pen drive. Why? Because we have configured deny read access policy. Friends, in your PC, after configuring this particular two policy, if didn't work, then probably you will need to restart, or you can just simply open the command prompt as an administrator and type one command, which is gp update space / force and click on enter. It will update your group policies. So this is how you can make your pen drive write protected in using command prompt or group policies. Guys, now I'll roll back all the settings which I have configured for my pen drive. First, we'll disable this deny read access. Not configured. Apply. OK. Second, deny write access. Double click. Not configured. Apply. OK. Now refresh on the File Explorer and double click on this pen drive. We are able to open. Now I'll try to delete one file. Right click, delete. It's got deleted. Now I'll copy one folder from my desktop, copy and paste. It's working. And friends, if you ever face issue with your pen drive without applying these settings and you got the error write protected, which means there is something wrong with your pen drive. For that I have already created one video. Just click on the I button at the upper right corner. For that particular issue, I have shown couple of techniques through which you can fix your write protected error issue. That's it in this video. If you found my content useful, please click on the like button. It motivates me to create more and more video. And if you want me to create any video on any specific topic, please let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely create video on that particular topic. If you have any feedback for me, please feel free to write down below. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.